Of course, this is a cool game, but what about the 3D version of it? So, yeah, I'm gonna make hill climb racing in 3D. I started with the basic car physics and real colliders. It behaves weird, but then after adding mass, it's better now. Still not that perfect. Then after playing with some values, it's now more like a real car. Then added a new car, a sport looking and more open car. Then modified some color and added HDRP to the scene. And then added some fire texture to the car body and also some glowing effects. Then I wrote some script to control the car's physics to make it more behave like a real car. I found some free island in the asset store and imported to my scene. Then added some fog to hide the edge of the island. Now I can move all around in 2.5 km square island. Then I created some shader for some kinda fuel container icon with some shader graph. Now I can control the value in script. And if I move, I lose my fuel. When I run out of fuel, I can't move anymore. Then I created another shader graph like a force field as a 3D fuel container, which when I collide with it, it will fool my fuel amount. Then I placed some points all over the map as fuel points, which I spawned fuel containers. And of course, sound effects. And UI elements to represent the current speed and distance traveled. And of course, some particles. And some warning when you're about to out of fuel. But still something is missing. Yeah, the driver of the car. In Maximo I found the boy and imported to my scene. And also added some animation rigging to make him interact with the car. And of course, to rotate his hands with the seal. perfect. And it's it. Please subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.